Alright guys, what's going on and welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm making some smoky, beefy, cheesy sliders. The ones you see all over social media, that's what I'm making today. Got the Hawaiian Kings roll. I'm just gonna smoke this meat up and I'm gonna shred it up. And it's gonna be super easy, basic, simple, good tasting food. So check it out guys, here we go. Alright, so today's protein of choice is gonna be a chuck roast. I got a little 2-pound chuck roast right here. Obviously you could use like pulled pork, pulled chicken, any kind of protein you want to shred up and throw on there on the sliders. It's gonna work out really good, so this is what I'm using. And for the seasoning, I got some Lowry's seasoning salt right here. I got salt, pepper, garlic with that 16 mesh coarse ground black pepper. I'm just gonna season this up real quick. Alright, so the smoker of choice is the pit barrel cooker today. I haven't used this thing in a while. It's already fired up. I got some hickory wood chunks in there. It's nice and smoky. Alright, so I'm just going to set that in there. Let that hang out. It's probably going to go for like 3 hours. Not really concerned about developing any bark or anything on there. I just want to get some smoke flavor, and then I'm going to throw it in a pressure cooker after that and just get it nice and tender and shred it up. Alright, so this is what we're looking like 3.5 hours later on the smoke. It was probably 275, 300 degrees. What you could do at this point, you could wrap it in foil, you could throw it back on the smoker and let it finish cooking like that. Because this thing is pretty tough, it's, you know, tough as leather still. What I'm going to do is I'm going to throw it in the pressure cooker. If you got an Instant Pot or any kind of device like that, just go ahead and throw it in there. But yeah, I'm not trying to wait around all day. It's probably going to take like another hour and it's going to be done and I'm going to shred it up. Alright, so I got a little rack I'm going to set in here. I'm going to place the meat on top of this. All I'm going to do is put 1 cup of liquid in here, just some water. If you have stock, you can go ahead and use that, but I'm not really even concerned that much about any kind of juices or anything. So, I'm going to set that in there. 1 cup of water. I'll let this roll for 50 minutes and then we're gonna go from there. So for the filling of these sliders, I got 1 onion, I got some serranos right here and a little bit of garlic. I'm just gonna saute that up into the pan right here. Obviously you could put whatever you wanna put in there. You could put bacon, mushrooms, or just whatever you like. All I'm going to do is just cook these down for a little bit, just sweat them down just to get them a little bit soft. You don't got to caramelize them or anything like that. Unless you want to, you could do that, but a little salt and pepper. Alright, we got our meat done. These are super tender. Just gonna shred it up. Beautiful. Look at that. Put that on some tacos or anything. Be really good. So this is what we're gonna do. Get yourself some King's Hawaiian rolls, grab a serrated knife, and carefully cut these in half. So I got pepper jack cheese and I got some provolone. So the saltiness, and I like the overall flavor of the pepper jack. Just get the cheese down first. That provolone. I'm gonna throw on the meat. Got the onions and serranos and garlic. Got a little bit of fresh cilantro. Should have put a little bit on there. Doesn't matter if there's a little bit of stems, it's okay. Then I'm gonna top it off with the pepper jack. And then to finish it off, I got some salted melted butter with some Mexican oregano up in there. And I'm just gonna put it over the top, kind of baste it so it gets brown when I cook it. Got the oven at 350 degrees. I'm gonna go for 20 minutes. Everything should be good after that. All right, so there it is. Smoky, cheesy, beefy, spicy. There's no way you can hate on that at all. Tastes really good. And what's cool about this is you can do this a million different ways. You can do like a breakfast one with eggs and bacon, or you can do ham and cheese. I've seen that. Any type of protein you want to throw in there, just make it how you want to make it. It's gonna turn out good, I guarantee it. And this type of thing is perfect for parties. You know, if you got people coming over, do like 3 of these and you're gonna feed a bunch of people, it's gonna be perfect. But right now it's just me here, so I'm about to destroy this whole thing myself. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please share the video, like and subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace out. Thank you. Mm.